I am here again, your science teacher, Teacher Kan. Today, we are going to learn all about sounds. So we will just review and add more information about sounds so that in your next activity, you will know how to answer those questions given to you in your workbook. So, first one is sounds came from vibrating objects and can be heard by our ears. Have you noticed that if you are talking, like me, I am talking, I can feel here. Can you touch here? You can feel the vibration. That is called vibration. It's just like electric in your neck. Hello. You can feel the vibration. That is when you are producing a sound. And when you are producing sound, so our ears can hear those sound. The next one is sound can move in all directions. When you are talking, everybody around you can hear because the sound moves in all directions. Okay, another one. What are the sources of sounds? The sources of sounds are artificial and natural, or natural and artificial. What is natural source of sound again? The natural source of sound is we can hear those sounds from nature. And artificial sound, the sounds we can hear is from man-made things or man-made objects. What are the examples of natural sources of sound? We have humans, animals, and those sounds of the nature, which are thunder, storm, and many more. How about the artificial source of sound? What are the examples of artificial sources of sound? We have vehicles, aircraft, and mining explosions are some examples of artificial sound. Trumpets also needs to be blown to produce sound. Do you know what a trumpet is? Okay, the trumpet is the one. There is a sound if you are going to blow like that. And the last one is when the grasshopper are rubbing their bodies, it vibrate and produce a sound. So those are the important things that we learned in sound. So if you notice around you, you can hear anything. And some of those are noise and some of those are nice to our ears or pleasant to our ears. So this is all for today. And please answer your workbook, page 63, and this video will guide you to answer those questions. Thank you for listening to Teacher Kan and watching. Goodbye and see you again next time.